Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create profile on booking.com. I wonder why you want to know how to create profile on booking.com. Maybe because you want to visit different places, but before visiting them, it is mandatory to have a profile on this app, so you want to create one. Or there could be any other reason for you to create your profile on booking.com. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Booking.com app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Booking.com app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will see the icon of the app and you will see different options almost all over the screen. So this one is a search section. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom as well, like saved, bookings, and account. So now what we have to do here is that you just have to simply click on to this option account. Once you click onto this option, you will get here. There you will see these options. Every option here is different. Simply tap onto this first option and here you have to create your profile. So there we have a lot of options. You just have to fill each one by one and your profile will be created. First you have to enter your first name, and after that you have to enter your second name, and after that you have to add your contact number and you have to add your date of birth. In date of birth you have to select the date on which you were born, the month in which you were born, and the year, and after that you can choose your gender. And after that we have other options as well, like you can use your smoking type and all that. If you look down, there are other options as well, like you can choose your country, you can add your city, you can add your province, you can add your postal code, you can add your home address. First you have to select the country, and based on which country you have chosen, you will get the options for city, or maybe you can choose city by your own choice. So once you have selected the city or maybe the country, you can go for other options like postal code and other stuff. And if you look down, there are other options as well that you could also choose based on what you feel. Like you can add your credit card, or maybe if going on any business trip, then you can add your business information. Once you enter all these things, your profile will be created. If you want to remove any of the information, you can do that, but if you want to keep any one of these information, you can go for it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your profile on booking.com. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.